Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make an elbow in AutoCAD 2D. So let's begin. At first select line and draw a vertical line and take the length 160 millimeter. Enter. Now draw another line horizontally. Also it will be 160 millimeter. Okay, now enter. Now in this area we need to make a bend, and for this one select fillet, and from here select radius and take the fillet radius 80 millimeter. Enter. And now select this line at first and this line. Okay, now select this line and make joint. So press J from the keyboard and enter. Now the lines are joined, and now select the offset command and take the distance 60 millimeter. Select this one and click in this side. Enter. Okay, now again select the offset command and take the distance now 10 millimeter. Enter. Now select this one and enter, and also select this one and enter in this side. Okay, now close this one. Now select line and join them. Also select line and join them. Okay, now select this one and select frame and just remove the inner parts. Enter. Okay, now we need to define the metal. So for this one just click on hatch. Okay, now click here. We need to apply the metal. We are not getting our desired metal. Just select anyone. Just select suppose this one, or okay, select this one. Just click here and click here and just increase the value. It is 1, make it 100. Okay, now we need to change actually this one. Make it 200. Now check this one. Okay, not actually this one. We need to change actually this one. It looks odd actually. This one is better. Okay, we can make it 100. Okay, close. Okay, now we need to close the metal actually. Now select line and from here draw line, make it 20. Not actually 20 is not enough, make it 40. Enter. And in this direction it should be 5. Enter. Okay, 5 is not enough actually. Okay, make it 5 millimeter, and also select this one, 40 in this direction. Okay, take 5. Enter, and join the two lines. And now select line and join these two lines. Enter, and also select line, take 40. Enter, take 5. Enter, very close, and again select line, and from this side 40, enter, 5, enter, and join this one, enter. Okay, just remove this one and select line again. Okay, join this. Okay, now just apply the material. Just hatch, we need to hatch actually. Just click and click, enter. Okay, now our elbow is ready, and what we need actually, that we need to put the dimension, and for this one just select the linear at first. Now put this dimension, actually very small, we need to make it smaller. So we need to make it bigger actually. So anode, standard, and modify, and text, and make it bigger, make it 10. Okay, close. Okay, we need to decrease the precision actually, the precision is very high. So again go there, modify, primary units. Okay, primary units actually, precision, no need any precision actually, just make 1. Okay, close. Okay, 160, and again linear, it should be 5, and again linear from this point to up to meet, it is, can be, cannot meet actually, from this point to up to this one 60. Okay, and again linear, then this distance we can put, it is 10, and we need the again linear, we need this distance also, just do it here, and it is 60, and we need the angular one actually, angle, so just select this one and make it in this side, it is 90 degree. Oh, if we make the radius, so it will be, yes, 80 degree. Okay, now that's, I think our drawing is complete, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and like the video, share with your friends. If you have any question, just ask in the comment box. And thank you a lot for watching with patience. Thank you.